Today we will see how we can do condition using if else by leveraging the truth value, that is Boolean value. So we have seen that if you have two numbers, let's say I equals to 10, j equals to 9, and then if you print the condition if I greater than 9, j, then it will tell you whether it is true or false. That means it is true, which is correct. If it is not, for example, if you put something smaller here, let's say 8, and then it will not do nothing. It will say false. So that's a condition, right? Now if I put a condition over here, say if, then I will do something like this, and then I print greater, and then if I just execute this code, this will show nothing because this condition is not fulfilled. However, if I just change the value to 18, which is greater than 9, then it will say greater. That is fine. But I want to also do something when it is not. For example, if I go back to the previous state of 8, then what I need to do is that I need to use something called else. When the condition within if is not getting fulfilled, then what? Then this. So I'll say less. Okay, and then you have seen it's printing less, else it will print greater. So this is perfectly fine. That's the simplest form of if else condition, but in that condition you can use operators like greater than equals. So for example, if I put two same values, and then if I want to try the greater than symbol, and it will come to false, and it will say less, which is not, but my condition can say that whether it is greater than or equals to. So I'll say greater or equal, and then if I just run the code, it will say greater or equal. So it is getting fulfilled over here only because 9 is either greater or equals that the condition. So if you want to also do the calculation like this, you can do that. You can say not equals to. So 9 is equals to this. So you say see here less. So you should ideally change the message, right? So let me clear this up. And then if I run it again, it will say that it is saying less, right? Which is not the case. It is not equals to. So it's not equal. It's basically equal, and then this is not equal. So if it is not equal, then it will come inside this if condition, else it will go into the else condition. So if I just run this, you will see that it is saying the equal, and if I just change that to 91, it is definitely not equal, so it will say not equal. So you can see the output is getting changed based on the condition. If you want to really check the equals value, so you have to use two equals, so like this, and if you put 2 equal, and you say equal, and then I say not equal, and if I just run this code, you will find the output is coming as equal. So which means that now you can do whatever you want to do over here. However, if you go out and then find something else, then do something else. So that is the simplest of if else condition. Depending on the Boolean value over here, you come inside true if, and then if it is true, then it is in if it is false, then it is in else. As simple as that. So thank you.